This is for all my ladies who don't have edges. This is for all my ladies who do have edges. This is for my ladies who are lazy and don't feel like putting on lace, or if you don't even know how to put on lace. Alright guys, so I am super excited to be doing today's video. I just feel at ease and like, okay, I'm just super hype. Okay, I'm just very excited. I just wish they had something like this when I was in high school, because your girl was sitting in school looking like this. Like, I could have been out here in these streets slaying a long time ago. Like, I do believe they already had it, but not like this. So today's unit is from YGwigs. Okay, YGwigs.com. that is the website, you guys can see. With this type of unit, and these units are called headband wigs, right y'all, headband wigs. So you do get a variation of different color and styles of wigs. I do have let's see, we do have 4 colors in total. These 2 are solid and these 2 are designed. So I am going to show you guys what they look like on once I get the unit on. Also, inside the box came a wig cap. Okay, you're gonna need your wig cap. It came with 2 clips. I did get an edge brush, okay, so we can do those edges, get your edges off slayed. And then last but not least, it's an elastic band and an extra clip, just in case you need to sew that on your unit. Oh, do I have the details for this? This is on here. Thank God it's on here. I love when companies include the information on the packages. And the texture of the texture of a loose wave. The density is 150%. The length is 20 for the inches. Alright, so this is the beauty right here. Okay, so like I said, I mentioned before, this is a headband wig. This is new. So of course I took out the paper. This is the texture of the hair. It's just a loose wave texture. Very pretty, as you guys can see. Running my hands through it. Very pretty. The hair is very soft. But this is the construction of the unit. This construction is definitely different. This unit does not include any type of lace. There is no lace with these type of units. Okay, so this is the construction of it. Of course, as you guys can see, you see the headband portion. They do sew the headband onto the unit. But anyway, it has 3 combs. It has a comb here, it has a comb over here, it has a comb in this section. So 3 across the top. It does have a comb at the nape, as you guys can see, and it does have the elastic. This is the Velcro portion where you can tie it in the back to secure it. This is for all my ladies who don't have edges. This is for all my ladies who do have edges. This is for my ladies who are lazy and don't feel like putting on lace, or if you don't even know how to put on lace. So FYI y'all, I keep saying this, so y'all probably think I'm just bald, because like I'll be saying that in all videos, but I tried the ball cap method with the got2b glue gel and the spray, and I don't know what happened when I went to like remove this ball cap. My hair was just laid up on it, like laid, all of it. All my edges around here and this section was just on it. So I don't know what I did wrong, but it is FYI. So brace yourself, because my edges are a little bald. So I'm gonna pull them out like this, because this is how they looking. They're growing back. I'm using the Jamaican whatever that stuff is, the black castor oil. That's what I'm using. So as you guys can see, my braids is just crusty and they trifling. I'm gonna spray my edges because they're a little dry, and I cannot do my baby hairs with dry edges. Next, I'm gonna go in and take my Eco Styling gel. Okay, we're gonna take our gel and I'm gonna dip my little edge brushes, looks like this, and I'm just gonna dip that in here. And then when I start molding them down, that's when y'all can start seeing the bald spot. This girl back real nice though. I'm not even a cat, they growing back, but honey, Alright, so this is what it looks like fully. It's a little crooked. I should have put the combs in because it's a little loose. It doesn't feel secure when I don't have the combs in. I think the combs will help it stay in place. So I'm just gonna go and pull in the combs. But you can wear it into a ponytail. I'm gonna try this headband first to see what it's giving. Oh, I'm trying to figure out how would you just pull this up and just cover it like this. So this is what the first headband looks like. It's so freaking cute. Okay, so I think this is how you would wear it over that. I mean, it doesn't really matter to me that this part showing here. I mean, if I pull it up, I mean, it would be like this, but I don't think I want none of that showing. So, and then I'm gonna do this color. Alright, so this is the headband I think I'm gonna go with for today. I wanted to wear the yellow one, but I don't have anything to go with that. I don't have anything to go with the yellow one. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my curly hair routine. Let's detangle the hair first. I'm not gonna put too much water on it because I don't want it to take forever to dry. With a little bit of my leave-in detailing milk. This is by Aussie. I'm just gonna put a decent amount on both sides, and this stuff smells so good. And then I'm using a little bit of my American Curls Frizz Taming Cream. I love using this stuff. It helps keep my curls in lock and keeps them from frizzing throughout the day. I put a generous amount of that as well. I start start at the bottom, then work my way up. And these products from Aussie always smell so good. And now with this part, I'm just gonna go ahead and scrunch up my hair. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. This is how the hair turns out. The hair is not all the way dry yet though. Love this unit. I feel like it's so freaking cute. It's chill and it's just easy to style. You don't have to worry about sweeping baby hairs and doing all that jazz. You just throwing that headband and literally you can go. I love the interchangeable feature that you're able to put on different headbands so you won't get bored or it won't low-key look like the same wig even though it is the same wig. This unit up here is pretty flat. As y'all know, I do have my braids in, so it's pretty flat, and I love it's not bulky up there or anything looking all types of crazy. Like I showed you guys in the video, you're able to do multiple styles, which I will show you guys a few styles that I probably would do with this unit. I really feel like this headband unit is just like, it's just gonna be my new fave, and I'm just excited. Okay, overall excited because it's just easy. Like my installation time was under 20 minutes. Literally, if I didn't have to do the curly hair routine, which I really didn't have to do, if I didn't do that, sis, I've been out the door. So love these units for all my lazy days and, you know, days I'm not trying to do all of that jazz. I still can look cute without having to do all that. As far as this unit, I did get shedding during my detangling process. I didn't get any tangle, but I did have a few shedding. It did shed on me just a little bit here and there, but it's nothing to complain about. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you guys think of this video, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.